Easter is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with a beautifully decorated table? But how do you create the perfect Easter tablescape? Should you go for a classic pastel theme, a rustic farmhouse look, or something unique and modern? If you're looking for stunning and creative Easter table decoration ideas, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 gorgeous Easter table decor ideas that will transform your dining space into a festive and elegant setting. Stick around until the end, because I have a special tip that will take your Easter table to the next level.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I create a beautiful Easter centerpiece? A well-designed centerpiece is the focal point of any Easter table. One classic idea is a floral centerpiece using fresh tulips, daffodils, or hydrangeas in a decorative vase or rustic wooden box to bring a fresh springtime feel. A creative alternative is a tiered Easter egg display, where pastel-colored eggs are arranged on a cake stand with greenery and small bunny figurines for a festive touch. If you want something interactive, a candle and nest centerpiece with mini bird nests, tea light candles, and moss creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. If you love centerpiece ideas like these, make sure to like and share this video so others can get inspired for Easter too. What are the best Easter-themed tableware and place settings? Choosing the right tableware and place settings can elevate the entire look of your Easter table. One way to make your table feel festive is by using Easter-themed plates and bowls with bunny prints, floral patterns, or pastel hues. Adding gold or rose gold cutlery gives an elegant touch while complementing both modern and traditional styles. To make your guests feel extra special, personalized place cards shaped like eggs, bunnies, or butterflies can be placed on each plate for a charming and customized touch. Got a favorite tableware style? Drop a comment below and let me know which one matches your Easter aesthetic. How can I incorporate Easter eggs into my table decor? Easter eggs aren't just for hunting, they make beautiful table decorations too. The unique idea is to create an egg tree centerpiece where painted or speckled eggs hang from delicate branches in a vase. Another elegant approach is placing gold or pastel eggs in glass jars or bowls as a simple yet stunning accent. Or a playful touch, using egg cups as mini vases for tiny flowers adds a whimsical and creative element to your tablescape. Looking for more Easter egg display inspiration? Check the description for my favorite table decor picks. What kind of table linens work best for an Easter table? The right table linens can make your Easter table feel cohesive and polished. A pastel-colored table runner in shades of soft pink, mint green, or baby blue instantly sets a springtime mood. A lace or embroidered tablecloth adds a touch of vintage charm and elegance to the setup. If you prefer a casual yet festive vibe, a gingham pattern table runner paired with rustic elements like wooden chargers and woven placemats creates a cozy farmhouse feel. Love table styling ideas like these? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite Easter table linens. How can I add candles and lighting to my Easter table? The right lighting can enhance the warmth and elegance of your Easter table setting. Placing floating candles in glass bowls with flower petals creates a romantic and airy effect. Using pastel or gold taper candles in vintage candle holders adds a sophisticated and timeless feel. If you're hosting an outdoor Easter brunch or dinner, string lights or fairy lights woven around the centerpiece bring a magical and festive ambiance. Want to see more lighting ideas? Check the description for my top Easter candle and lighting recommendations. What are some budget-friendly Easter table decor ideas? Decorating your Easter table doesn't have to be expensive. A great way to save money is by using grocery store flowers instead of expensive floral arrangements. Placing them in mason jars or teacups can look just as stunning. Another affordable idea is to repurpose household items like wine bottles or tin cans, painting them in pastel shades to serve as DIY vases. If you want a simple and cost-effective place setting, handwriting guest names on small wooden tags or paper cutouts adds a personalized touch without extra cost. Love budget-friendly decorating ideas? Subscribe now for more DIY and seasonal decor tips. How can I keep my Easter table decor looking fresh throughout the day? Keeping your Easter table looking fresh and beautiful requires a few simple tricks. If you're using fresh flowers, changing the water and trimming stems before the event helps them stay vibrant. Using battery-operated LED candles instead of wax ones prevents wax spills and ensures long-lasting lighting. Covering delicate table linens with clear glass chargers or protective covers keeps them clean while still looking elegant. Excited to decorate for Easter? Check the description for links to shop my favorite Easter decor picks. What floral arrangements work best for an Easter table? Flowers bring freshness and elegance to any Easter table. A bouquet of seasonal blooms like tulips, daisies, and peonies in a decorative vase creates a classic and timeless look. A garland of greenery with small pastel flowers running along the center of the table adds a natural and organic touch. If you want something unconventional, using small potted plants or succulents as part of the table decor provides long-lasting beauty that guests can even take home as favors. Love floral decorating ideas? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite Easter floral arrangements. How can I keep my Easter table decor looking fresh throughout the day? How can I make my Easter table fun for kids? If you're hosting Easter with kids, adding playful elements to the table can make the celebration even more exciting. A mini Easter basket at each place setting filled with chocolates and small toys serves as both decor and a treat for kids. Using chalkboard placemats shaped like bunnies or eggs allows kids to draw while they wait for their meal. A fun idea is to create an Easter bunny snack board centerpiece filled with colorful candies, cookies, and fruit to add a fun and interactive touch. Want more kid-friendly Easter decor ideas? Check the description for my top family-friendly decorating picks. Easter is a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness, and a beautifully decorated table can make your gathering even more special. Whether you love floral centerpieces, playful kid-friendly decor, or elegant table settings, there's an Easter table idea for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Easter decorating inspiration. Happy Easter and happy decorating!